Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is 5th of August 2021, and I will be analyzing Magnis Energy Technologies, which is another EV related stock that we've been analyzing over the last couple of weeks. So let's have a look. I just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply BG Trading and BGS20 strategies to know when we should be buying and selling stocks, how we apply these KPIs to avoid FOMO, to set up stop losses, to set up targets, to lock in profits in consistent way. So if you like the way we trade, I invite you now to subscribe this channel and like the video. Also, we have a free Facebook group called Buy Growth, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. I'm going to be putting the details in the description below. So make sure you become a member. It's free. And we have amazing content for you over there. All about trading and great quality analysis for you. Now, yesterday, we have a membership program. You probably know already. So it goes BG Trading VIP Hub. Yesterday, we enter in Magnis Energy Technologies. And let me tell you why we did that. We obviously been speculating this stock for a little while. And then this is from the stocks that we'll be analyzing: Sayona Mining, LIT, Talga, Novonix. This is one of the stocks that caught my attention, and the reason is because they are almost into the production stage. They still, what are they doing now? And that's why the market reacted so positively yesterday. But the reason we bought it is not just because that. First of all, we want to have a little bit of a skin on EV sector, EV industry stocks related. That's because it's no-brainer that will be a massive demand for all those lithium-related materials. In fact, I was reading this article from Forbes and a lot of other sources on the internet. So this guy says, like Tin says, lithium price is tipped to rise after warning of a perpetual deficit. It just means that supply might take years to meet demand. And this is one of the reasons all the stocks, the lithium-related stocks, are going nuts lately. And we want to make sure we have part of our portfolio focusing good quality stocks. So in Australia here, the good quality stocks that we can suggest for you to take a look is Orocobre and Galaxy Resource, which pretty much they merged. But and obviously there's a lot of micro caps, like really small caps, like this one, like Magnis Energy Technologies, that offer a huge upside. Obviously, people have to be nimble to ensure that enter at the right time. Instead of FOMOing, because it's like anything, although there's a massive demand and the market is cyclical, we got a rally on this type of stocks, and then after that we have a correction, and this correction sometimes it's over than seriously is over than 50%, and then you don't want to be sitting in any position that is 40-50% negative. That will start affecting your emotions. That's no good. So now let's jump straight into what the company stock is doing at the moment. So now this is the chart formation. The reason we decide to enter yesterday is because we have a confirmation. We have a bullish intersection here. We call bullish intersection level 1, which was the yellow line crossing the red line. This is where we want to be buying around the SMA levels. So yesterday was still trading around 30 cents. That's when we bought it, 30 cents, and this is the 30 cents is SMA, was pretty much on the SMA level. So that's why make a safe entry with very little downside, exactly what we're looking as a trader. Now, the potential upside, yes, we think that could very soon be reaching 40 cents again. And this is a potential sell target for us. in the trades. Okay. However, if you're looking at investing long term, so you really need to dig into the company fundamentals to understand a little bit where they are at the moment. So basically, if you don't know about Magnis Energy Technology, so what I'm going to do, we have done a full analysis of the stock. So I'm going to be putting the link in our free Facebook group, Buy Growth Sell Strategy for Share Traders. So take the link for the group in there, make sure you answer all the questions, and then you get access to the analysis that we did, as well as some potential entry points and targets as well for this stock. So maybe interested to you to take a look on there. This is a battery technology company engaged in the manufacturing and sales of lithium-ion battery materials cells. Sorry, the company operating in the segment includes lithium-ion battery investment in the U.S., lithium-ion battery investment in Australia, with a project going in Townsville, and also it does. Get some revenue out of a graphite exploration and the development they have in Tanzania, which is not fun of companies producing or exploiting in Africa. Very unstable government. But anyway, so the company basically, what happened is it owns 33% of the project lithium-ion battery production that's going to happen in New York, which, by the way, they just announced yesterday that the New York plant status is about 17% completed, and the CEO of the company is aiming to start producing it by early 2020. So if that's going to happen, we don't know. But one thing we know, there's a lot of sensitive market information to be released in that sense. Also, it is a company that, again, this is a speculative stock, okay, at the moment, still high risk, but it's the type of company that we rather be speculating in this type of stock than companies that don't even produce and really only depends on what they call offtake opportunities. This also has offtake opportunities as well, but the sensitive information that could make the S&P move, when I talk about SP, I talk about share price, move with the income months, is the fact that the market the company will definitely put in some market update about the progress of IM3 New York project, and also potentially, again, like this is very speculative, potential commercial binding contracts, new commercial binding contracts, and some offtake deals that could eventually happening as well. So there's a lot of things that could be speculated in the stock, but most important, again, this is a company that's it's less than a year away from start producing. So it is the type of stock that I would and my team would be speculating, investing, sort of speaking, for either our trades or our long-term investment portfolio sort of thing. But saying that, I would only allocate a very small percentage of my portfolio in this if I was trading or investing in this particular company itself. Now, with EV market emerging, I would say at the moment, we're going to be rearranging our portfolio. We're going to be reallocating potentially about 15% of our portfolio into lithium-related stocks and good quality lithium-related stocks that will definitely outperform the other ones as well. Most of them that will be producing already. Just stay tuned in this channel. We'll know the stocks that we're talking about. Okay, guys, this was my take on Magnis Energy Technology. At the moment, just crossed the red line SMA, buying low 30s. It is a very interesting buying level for this stock, opposed to, for example, Sayona Mining, which is already bouncing back from 10 cents, as you can see here, which people potentially have FOMO in there. So, and then has a greater distance between the stock price and the SMA. So MNS is a stock that it's closer at the moment. The share price is closer than the other ones in comparison to the SMA, to the red line. That's when we buy. That's our strategy says to buy. Now, potentially, I took about I took one day to release this video, but obviously to protect our VIP members' best interests, because they, at the end of the day, they are paying the membership to get the tips, the entry tips right at the right time. But I still believe there is some very good upside for this particular stock. Obviously, make your own research. Make sure you talk with your financial advisor. This is just showing the way we are trading stocks like this and when we choose to enter as well. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.